Reproductive Biology Associates was established back in 1983 as Georgia's first IVF treatment center, specializing in helping bring new life into this world. CEO Dr. Andrew Toledo is back with more details. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure having you.
Always a pleasure to be here, Christine.
Well, you know, we always dive into certain topics related to fertility, but today we kind of want to just take everybody back, because I think in case people haven't watched our show before, the history of all the wonderful work that you have done in the treatment of infertility in the over 30 years is just incredible. So take us back to your groundbreaking history since 1983.
I'd take up the whole show, but
that's fine.
Yeah, but we'll take it just a couple of big things. First of all, 1984, RBA helped to create the first IVF baby born in Georgia. 1992, RBA had the first baby that was created from a brand new technique called ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, which was groundbreaking for couples that are suffering from male-oriented infertility. 1997, RBA was the first program to create a pregnancy from egg freezing, which is now something that's commonly being done. But in 1997, not so much.
Incredible.
So 3 very big events, along with a whole bunch of other things that we've done.
And how has this impacted your practice today?
I think it's made us realize that if we help to create new and better technology, it translates into success, better success for couples who are going through an extremely difficult process, a very emotional process. And if we can make things work better for them, get them a result that's successful in a better way, that's always been our motto, is use the new technology, but always remember we're treating a very sensitive, difficult situation.
Absolutely. And what do you feel really sets you apart from the rest, from other fertility centers?
Well, apart from the things that we've done, I think the real thing that makes RBA special is what I call a teamwork type of an approach. You know, every couple that comes in is unique, and we try to look at that couple as a unique couple coming in for whatever problem they have. We don't want to put them in a cookie cutter or a box. We want to look at them and address their unique problems. And that starts from check-in all the way to check-out. And everybody has to embody that philosophy.
And I understand that you have free in-house educational seminars, which I love this, because when you're pregnant or when you're trying to get pregnant or you're frustrated because you haven't been able to, you've had some issues, you know, being able to talk to someone about acupuncture as an approach, nutrition, you know, high-risk pregnancies, these are monthly support groups that you offer for patients. So tell us more about this and how it really impacts a patient's journey.
Well, I think it's complementary. That is, this is a journey that is unique and requires different things to make it more successful. These are just simple things that we try to help the couples have access to. Knowledge is power, and obviously if we can help them do something or give them something that helps them be more relaxed, less stressed, they're going to have an easier journey through this very difficult process.
And talk about the monthly free seminars for new patients. That's key, because if somebody hasn't been familiar with your facility and they're watching now, this is something that they might want to learn more about and everything that it has to offer.
Sure, it's a great opportunity, because every month we do a seminar. It's at the main Sandy Springs office, and basically it's done really to help couples understand what do we do? What's going to happen to them? What kind of treatment can they expect? What kind of workup test are we going to do? It's a great way to help them understand what they're getting ready to get into. At that seminar, we always will give them some opportunity to find out more about themselves. Every patient, every female patient is given the opportunity to have a very specific blood test drawn called AMH, anti-Mullerian hormone. So if they come to the seminar, the wife or the partner, the female partner, can have that drawn.
That's great.
It gives us a little bit of information about their ovarian reserve, their fertility potential. We also offer couples that come there a free consultation to meet with one of our physicians, and that obviously gives them the opportunity, if they're afraid about walking in the door, here's a free way to walk in the door and get some information.
Yeah, well, let's say somebody is at an age, maybe they are a little more advanced maternal age, as I heard all the time, since I started, you know, trying to conceive at 39. But let's say somebody is going to their OBGYN and they're having issues, like,
Right.
do they get referrals to RBA? I've never asked you this before,
Sure.
and I was like, that's an important question for people who are watching, or can they just call you directly, say, I'm having some issues?
They both ways. I mean,
Okay.
we get a lot of physicians who refer to us because their patients are at that point, but patients themselves can take the opportunity to take the initiative to come to us without having that referral from a specific
Sure.
physician.
Especially with the opportunity to have that free seminar and actually
Absolutely.
learn, like you said, just get enough information to learn, okay, where are we?
Right.
What's our starting point here? So then you know how to proceed. And once again, let's put up that full screen. If you're interested in attending this free educational seminar, please RSVP right there. That number is 404-459-3549. It's Saturday, December 13th. That time is 10 a.m. at the main Sandy Springs location, or you can RSVP online actually as well. So grab your laptop, RBA-online.com. Doctor, it's always a pleasure seeing you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Christine.
Hope you have a very happy holiday season.
You too.
Thank you. And if you would like more information about Reproductive Biology Associates, please pick up the phone now. Give them a call. Remember, you can register online as well. That phone number, 404-257-1900, or log on to the website at rba-online.com. And this segment was paid for by Reproductive Biology Associates.